Hello friends, in last video we shall discuss about the simple permanent tissue. There are three types of simple permanent tissues like parenchyma, sclerenchyma and collenchyma. These are the three simple permanent tissue we have discussed. Now in this video we shall discuss about the complex permanent tissue. This complex permanent tissue, there are included the two types of complex permanent tissues are xylem and phloem. The first tissue, the xylem, it is the most important role for conduction of water, and another one complex permanent tissue is parenchyma. In phloem it is the food conducting tissue. The first, these two tissues is complex permanent tissues are formed in plant body, and these tissues having heterogeneous cells. These tissues are present, the heterogeneous means different types of cells are present and these cells are performing the different function. Now these heterogeneous tissues involves the conducting the sap and food, and this tissue, it is included, the first tissue is xylem. This xylem, it is the dead complex tissue, and this xylem, it is the various components of xylems are found, means the different types of the cells are present in xylems like tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma and xylem fibers. These are the four types of the cells are found in the xylem tissue, and these xylem tissues are most important function for conduction of water through plant body. The first, these tracheids. The structure of these tracheids, it is these tracheids, or these are the fibers. The firstly, the tracheid cells. These tracheid cells, it is one of the cells of xylems, and these tracheids are elongated cells. These tracheids are elongated structure, tubular cells. These tracheids are tubular structure, elongated and dead cells. The tracheid cells, the cell wall of these tracheids, it is uniformly thickened, and this thickening structure means this cell wall is thickened because it is present the lignin deposition, and that's why this cell wall is thick nature. Thickened cell wall is of tracheid cells. These tracheids, there are about 95% of woods in gymnosperms and 5% in the angiosperm. These tracheids are formed in gymnospermic plants. The 95% they can form the woods, and only the 5% in angiospermic plants they can form the woods. Now there are different types of the thickenings of this cell wall of tracheids. These tracheids having different thickenings of this cell wall is different types of the thickening is formed in the xylems. The first one, these thickenings is annular types. This first one, annular thickenings, ring-like thickening of the cell wall. The next one, thickening like the spiral. These are the spiral shape. Thickening of the cell wall is thick nature because the deposition of lignin, and in this deposition they present the different types of the thickening in the cell wall is a annular, spiral or scalariform. These steps like this is the scalariform thickening of the cell wall, and some are simple, means the advanced type. These are the simple or border fitted thickening of these tracheid cells. These tracheids, the xylems, it is the most important mechanical tissue. They can provide the mechanical strength of the plant body, and these tracheids and the vessels, these are the water conducting or mineral conducting tissues, the tracheids and vessels. Now these tracheids, it is also formed in pteridophytes and gymnospermic plants. It is the most important role for the conduction of waters, and the vessel is present in the angiosperm. The gymnospermic plants and also pteridophytic plants, the tracheids are found and vessels is present in the angiospermic plants. The tracheids, these tracheids is important and they can form the different types of the cell wall containing cells, like the deposition of lignin is present in the tracheids, and that's why they can look like the annular structure. Some cells are scalariform thickenings or some advance in the border pitted thickenings, means this simple type of the border thickening is found in the tracheid cells. Next type of the xylem cells is the vessels. These vessels, they are mostly present in the angiospermic plant. This is the structure of vessels, and these perform the plates of the vessels, and these vessels are present in angiospermic plants. These vessels is most important function of these cells are most important function for conduction of water and minerals. It is an important role in angiospermic plants. The next one type of the cells is the xylem parenchyma cells. These xylem parenchyma of xylems, they can present the parenchymatous tissues, and this xylem parenchyma is most important function for storage of foods, and sometimes they can present the tannin deposition. They can present the tannins in xylem parenchyma tissue. This is a most important tissue. Xylem parenchyma cells is found, and it is a important role for the storage of food material. And next one type of the cells are xylem fibers. These xylem fibers, these cells are sclerenchymatous cells. This sclerenchyma tissue, it is a dead tissue, and this xylem fibers is also the sclerenchymatous, and this cells is most important function of this xylem fiber is a mechanical strength, and also it is important for the formation of wood fibers. Now these xylem tissues is the most important tissue, and these tissues having the different types of the cells, means they are heterogeneous tissue, and this tissue is important for conduction of the sap and food, and also the xylem means these permanent tissues is important role for conduction of water and food materials, and then the xylem is most important dead complex tissue. In the vascular, means the structure of this xylem tissue in the vascular bundle, the position of the xylem in the vascular bundle, it is the tears of this vascular bundle, they can showing this type of the structure of xylems. With the xylem parenchyma, the different types of the cells, like the xylem parenchyma, protoxylem is the middle central position, also metaxylem and crushed phloem cells are present in the vascular bundle. The vascular bundle, the vascular tissues, these are the xylem and phloem. These important tissues are formed in dicots is most important. The xylem and phloem, they can present the cambiums, and this cambium is present in dicots. It is most important role for secondary growth. The xylem is the most important tissue. It is the most important permanent tissue. Is found in the plants like the gymnosperm and angiospermic plants, and important role of the xylems, the tracheids and also the fibers, parenchyma cells are important for storage of foods, and also important role, the main important function of xylem, it is a water conducting tissue. This water is supply or this water is provided through all part of the plant body is a main function of the xylem tissues. Now in this video we shall learn about this xylem tissue. It is a dead complex tissue, and this tissue having different types of the cells like the tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma and xylem fibers, and these are important role for the this conduction of water and minerals.